Antman. Real name, Scott Lang. Former thief Scott Lang once stole an advanced size-altering suit in order to aid his ailing daughter, only to discover that the pilfered technology belongs to world-renowned Dr. Hank Pym. Seeing the heroic potential within him, Dr. Pym allowed Scott to continue using the suit, as well as the identity Pym once battled evil under. As the astonishing Ant-Man, Scott now handles the jobs too small for other superheroes. Wasp. Real name, Hope Van Dyne. Empowered with the amazing ability to shrink in size and fly, Hope Van Dyne is the newest heroine to bear the name Wasp. Along with her partner Scott Lang, the astonishing Ant-Man, Wasp battles evil on any scale, proving that true heroism comes in even the smallest sizes.